Nissan's compact SUV enjoys the status of one of the most popular models in its class, but can it be more than that and regain the throne it lost years ago? With the next year's updates, particularly the new hybrid powertrain, chances are bigger than ever before. The 2026 Nissan Rogue solves every owner complaint. Let's check them out. EPower coming to America. What exactly is this EPower technology that has Nissan so confident? Unlike traditional hybrids that juggle between gas engines and electric motors, EPower takes a completely different approach. The gasoline engine never actually powers the wheels. It only acts as a generator to charge the battery. Think of it as having an electric car with its own personal power plant on board. This isn't some rush-to-market experiment either. Nissan has been perfecting EPower technology for years in markets like Japan and Europe, where it's already proven itself as a game-changer. The third-generation system coming to the 2026 Rogue represents the most refined version yet, engineered specifically to tackle the biggest complaints American drivers have had about previous Rogue models. What makes this so revolutionary? Traditional hybrids feel jerky and inconsistent as they switch between power sources. EPower delivers smooth, instant electric power at all times, while the gas engine runs independently in its most efficient zone. The result is driving that feels purely electric, silent, smooth, and incredibly responsive, without any of the range anxiety that comes with full EVs. Engineers have spent considerable time fine-tuning the system for American driving conditions. The third-generation EPower delivers 15% better highway fuel efficiency compared to the previous generation, along with significantly reduced noise and vibration. Early testing shows this addresses two of the biggest complaints current Rogue owners have: poor highway economy and a noisy cabin at speed. Interior design. The moment you open the door, it becomes clear that Nissan has been listening to owner feedback about interior quality. The cabin features a sophisticated, upscale design that feels genuinely premium, not the hard, cheap plastics that plagued earlier generations. Materials feel substantial to the touch, with soft-touch surfaces strategically placed throughout the cabin. The dashboard layout follows a clean, modern aesthetic with excellent ergonomics. Everything falls naturally to hand, from the climate controls to the gear selector. The bi-level dashboard design creates visual interest while maximizing storage space, with thoughtful cubbies and compartments throughout the cabin. This addresses one of the most consistent pieces of owner praise: the Rogue's excellent interior storage solutions. Seating comfort represents a major strength, with front seats that provide excellent support for long drives. The seats feel like they mold to your body, offering the perfect balance of cushioning and support. Heated front seats come standard on most trims, while higher levels add ventilated front seats and heated rear seats. The driving position offers excellent visibility in all directions, thanks to the large greenhouse and strategically placed pillars. Rear seat accommodation easily handles adult passengers for short to medium trips. While some taller passengers might find legroom a bit tight on longer journeys, the space is competitive with class leaders. The rear doors open wide, nearly 90 degrees, making entry and exit remarkably easy, especially when installing child seats. The cargo area truly shines with impressive versatility. Behind the second row, you get 31.6 cubic feet of space in base models, expanding to 36.5 cubic feet in higher trims. Fold the rear seats down and total cargo volume reaches an impressive 74.1 cubic feet. The available divide and hide floor system allows you to create custom storage compartments or a completely flat loading surface. This level of cargo flexibility directly addresses owner needs for practical everyday utility. Ambient lighting, available on higher trims, creates a sophisticated atmosphere during evening drives. The overall cabin ambiance feels upscale and refined, putting the Rogue in direct competition with premium rivals that cost significantly more. This attention to interior quality sets the stage perfectly for the impressive technology features that Nissan has packed into the new Rogue. Tech and safety features. The 2026 Rogue comes loaded with technology that puts it at the forefront of the compact SUV segment. Base models feature an 8-inch touchscreen that provides clear graphics and intuitive operation, while higher trims upgrade to a massive 12.3-inch display that dominates the dashboard. This larger screen includes Google built-in integration, making it the first Nissan to offer this advanced connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across the lineup. Lower trims use wired connections, while higher models offer wireless connectivity that eliminates the need for cables. The system responds quickly to inputs and provides crisp, clear graphics that remain easily readable in all lighting conditions. Physical buttons for climate and audio controls ensure you can make adjustments without diving into touchscreen menus. Higher trim levels add a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that can be completely customized. This high-resolution display shows everything from trip information to turn-by-turn navigation directions directly in your line of sight. The available head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Connectivity features include a Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless device charging, and multiple USB ports throughout the cabin. Rear passengers get their own USB-C ports, ensuring everyone can keep devices charged during longer trips. Safety technology represents one of the Rogue's strongest selling points. Standard equipment includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add Nissan's Pro Pilot Assist system, which provides adaptive cruise control with lane centering. This semi-autonomous driving aid helps reduce fatigue during long highway drives by maintaining your speed and keeping you centered in your lane. The ultimate tech package includes ProPilot 2.1, which enables hands-free driving on pre-mapped highways. You still need to keep your eyes on the road, but the system handles steering, acceleration, and braking automatically. All this technology works seamlessly with the advanced powertrain options that truly set the 2026 Rogue apart from every competitor. Engine and performance. For buyers who prefer traditional powertrains, the 2026 Rogue offers a refined gasoline engine that addresses many previous owner complaints. The turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-3 produces 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, delivering surprisingly strong performance for its size. This engine feels punchy and responsive, providing plenty of power for passing and merging without the sluggish behavior that plagued earlier generations. The continuously variable transmission has been significantly refined to eliminate the rubber band effect that many CVTs suffer from. Nissan engineers have programmed simulated gear steps that make acceleration feel more natural and engaging. The transmission operates smoothly and quietly, blending into the background rather than calling attention to itself with harsh noises or jerky behavior. Front-wheel drive comes standard, while all-wheel drive is available across the lineup. The all-wheel drive system automatically sends power to the rear wheels when traction is needed, providing confident handling in various weather conditions. Models equipped with all-wheel drive maintain excellent fuel economy, achieving an EPA estimated 28 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway. The driving experience emphasizes comfort over sportiness, which aligns perfectly with what Rogue buyers actually want. The suspension provides a smooth, compliant ride that absorbs road imperfections effectively. Steering is light and easy, making the Rogue effortless to drive in city traffic and parking situations. While it won't thrill driving enthusiasts, it excels at making daily commuting comfortable and stress-free. The Rock Creek trim adds genuine off-road capability with standard all-wheel drive, all-terrain tires, and hill descent control. This system automatically controls speed when descending steep grades, allowing the driver to focus on steering. Ground clearance remains competitive at 8.1 inches, providing enough capability for light trail work and outdoor adventures. Noise isolation has been significantly improved throughout the lineup. The cabin remains remarkably quiet at highway speeds, addressing one of the most common complaints about older models. Enhanced sound, deadening materials, and improved aerodynamics work together to create a peaceful driving environment. Release date and price. The 2026 Nissan Rogue is about to arrive at dealerships later this year, with the revolutionary EPower hybrid following shortly after. Pricing will start at around $30,000 for the base S trim, which includes an impressive array of standard features. The popular SV trim starts around $31,000 and adds key convenience features like adaptive cruise control and a power liftgate. The rugged Rock Creek Edition carries a premium at approximately $36,000, but includes standard all-wheel drive and specialized off-road equipment. Higher trim levels like the SL and Platinum push pricing toward the $40,000 mark, but deliver luxury features and technology that rival premium brands. EPower hybrid pricing is yet to be officially announced, but we know that the base version will slot between the SV and Rock Creek trims. This positioning will certainly make hybrid technology accessible while maintaining strong value proposition against hybrid competitors from Toyota and Honda. As mentioned, early production will focus on gasoline models, with EPower variants arriving several months later as Nissan ramps up production of the advanced hybrid system. This staged rollout allows Nissan to ensure quality and availability while building anticipation for the revolutionary new technology. Will these updates be enough to improve the market position? It's hard to say. Check out this video about the next generation 2026 Toyota RAV4, which you can now see on the screen. The world's best-selling SUV is coming completely redesigned, and with the improvement it brings, it's hard to believe that anyone will be able to dethrone it anytime soon.